Hello everyone. So in this video we will see the SAC SAP Analytics Cloud, Smart Assist and Generative AI. So let's start this video. So first of all we'll see the Generative AI. For example, in the last video we created one story. I will just open that story and using that story we will use the Generative AI. For example, testing this story we have created. So we created the model first and then we create the story based on that model. So just click on this just ask. So this is the generative AI available functionality. So for example, I will type sales. So system will give me the total value of the sales available. So this is my total sales. Now I just want to filter by country. So I'll just write country here. So SAP automatically, SAC Analytics Cloud automatically sorted by the country. So I just now want to do by brand. Now it is giving me the value by brand. And now I want to do by product category. Okay, so this is by product category. Now I want to do the sort my sales by month wise. Monthly I want to see. Okay, so this is a very big uh, chart. I just want to do by pie chart or any other chart. I just sorted by pie chart. I want to see the values by the pie chart, though I'm not a big fan of this pie chart, but you can see the values and we can see in the form of table. Some people don't like the values in the form of charts, so the accountants mostly they don't want to see in the form of charts. So the value in the Excel sheet you can see, and for example I want to analyze the data here in detail. So in the data analyzer I can see the values in detail. For example, this is the sales for Canada for this brand even better than for the drink, that is my product category, and this is the total value. Now I want to see, for example, this is for the January. I want to see for the January only. This is month wise. For example, for the USA even better drink, this is my total sale. This is sales for 2022. I want, this is sales for January. I want to sort it by, for example, this is daily sale. For example, this is for the first day, second day, like this. You can see, you can sort export in the form of Excel also. I want to expand the hierarchy, everything, export. So this is the data analyzer. I just want to extract the data from the model and I can extract it. Now I can see in the Excel sheet. Okay, so we can sort it in the Excel form also. The another functionality, the Smart Assist. I can create my own story. For example, I want to create a story and this is a smart discovery. I will use that discovery. 1 minute, go back here. Okay, I will use the smart discovery. So in the smart discovery, what I have to do, everything system will do automatically. So I will just select, for example, sales, and entity I want to see by category, by city, by country, by customer ID, for example, by customer name. Okay, product name, region. Here I can select, I think, almost 8. So ship mode, state, subcategory. Okay, so I selected the 8, and filter. I don't want to do any filter. I will just run. So system will automatically now create a new story for me. I don't need to do the don't need to create a new story manually. So system will automatically do everything, and it will take some time and create a whole story. So let's see. So you can see this is the system automatically create one story for me, and this is the whole story for that. And here I can do, for example, forecasting as well. This is edit mode. So for example, this is the actual values, and what I want to do, I want to do the forecasting. So I want to add linear regression, treble, exponential smoothing. I just want to do the linear regression, and system will do the forecasting for me. It is unable to create the forecast. There might be some issue. Let's check again. Forecast. I will do the linear forecasting. So you can see here. Let's check the second one. Okay, but it's loading. Yeah, this is the forecasted value, and based upon the previous history, system gave me the forecasted value for the sale. So this is all about the smart assist, and here, for example, I want to add the thresh reference point also. So I can add here reference point. For example, if the value, for example, it is uh, for example, the value is 2 million. Okay, reference is I want to add good, but let's reduce little. Okay, okay, let's, it is too big. Okay, okay, the above one it will become green, and below one it will, for example, I want to do yellow. Let's add one more zero, and the line, for example, I want to add anything. You can add red, and label, it's like, for example, black. Okay, so for example, uh, target performance performance. Okay, so like this I can add. Okay, so you can analyze the values, and you can do anything, any sort of formatting. So this is the smart assist functionality, and now you can save it, create your own story. So system automatically did all the things, and this is how we can do the generative AI and the smart assist functionality available in SAP Analytics Cloud. Thank you everyone for watching the video.